Welcome to HubMath Coder. Now we are almost done with the Mac setup part, and only the fourth step where we will see how we can run in an iOS simulator our apps built by Flutter. So we were in the Mac setup part, and there you can see that in this iOS setup they are saying that install Xcode. So installing Xcode, you can install Xcode using web download or the Mac App Store. I prefer this Mac App Store because they will done all the thing for you, and if you click on that link, then you will be redirected to this, and you can just open link via App Store. Then this App Store will be opened, and here you can see that I have already installed Xcode. So in your case, here a download button you can see, and as it is 8.1 GB in size, so it will take some time. Okay, after once it downloads, you just open it, and then you have to agree on some terms and conditions, and then it will install required components, and then this screen will come up. You don't need to do anything. Along with Xcode, iOS simulator also installed. Just go over Spotlight search and search for simulator and press enter. You can see that iPhone AC second generation simulator has been pre-installed along with this Xcode in my Mac. Okay, so once it boots up, we can see that here the iPhone AC device has been connected with my Android Studio, and if we now run terminal, run Flutter Doctor in terminal, then we will see that almost all the things will be green ticked, as Flutter is green ticked, and checking Android licenses, and you can see almost everything is green ticked, but this Xcode is saying Cocoapod is not installed, and it is required, okay, in some cases. So you can just install it by just copy this command and paste it. As it is sudo command, so super user do, so you need to enter the password you used to use when you log into your Mac. It will fetch all the required things, and it will install Cocoapod in your machine. But to run this application, we actually don't need Cocoapod. As you can see, it is taking some time. Just skip some 20 to 30 seconds of this video to not feel bored. Well, all the installation completed, and the magic thing is we have not done anything with the code. It was run in our Android simulator. Now if I press this play button, you will see this app can be also compiled to iOS without changing any character of this code. Okay, so it is that simple. Like, you just code once and it will build an app for Android device as well as for your iOS device. So this way the magic of Flutter is. So it is saying running Xcode build. In the first run it takes some time, and actually I don't use Mac to develop a lot because I normally use my desktop, so the configuration of my MacBook is not so high, so it is slower in that case. Whatever, it has built in 26 seconds, not that slow. But you can see the same app was running in Android device is now built to this iOS simulator without an issue, just by tapping the play button. And if I now run the same app in Android device, actually let me first check it, and it is working as it should. So this is that magic. And now if I run the same app on the Android emulator, just play and just run that, you will see in a bit that it will also run in the Android simulator. Actually I don't need that to prove again because it was already previously I ran this and it worked. Okay, so this is it, and we are pretty much done. And in the next video I am going to teach you one optional thing, like if you want to install and use VS Code, in the next video I am going to do just that, to show you how to use VS Code in your MacBook or in your Windows PC. Okay, and you can just see that build successful, and the app will soon run in my Android simulator as well. So yes, it built successfully, and the same app is running on iOS as well as Mac with a single code base, iOS as well as Android with a single code base. And later on this course I will also show you how to build web apps through this Flutter with no change in the code. Okay, so thank you.